We appreciate Grand Valley recognizing Mission as one of the co-op employers of the year. We're happy to say that, and the way we have a long-standing relationship with Grand Valley's co-op program and have watched it develop over the years into a very valuable part of our business.
I think our co-ops bring a lot of fresh ideas into the mix and question kind of we always do it that way, or it's always been done that way. It keeps us relevant, keeps us moving forward, and good ideas coming into the organization. It also is a way for us to develop our workforce and grow as an organization.
Our co-op students really benefit from the work we do at Mission because we put them right into customer projects. They're working on real-world problems that need real-world solutions. We don't give them mock projects or anything like that, so they really dive right in to get to know the industry and get to know what their career would look like here.
So when I did my co-ops here at Mission, I did mechanical design and applications, and having the variety of the two roles really helped me understand the full process from beginning to end of machine design and automation. Throughout the entire process, I have had a designated mentor who I can go to and ask questions, and I was able to have one-on-one meetings a lot of the time to just go over and get a temperature feel of how I was doing. On top of that, everyone else in both departments, applications and design, have been very helpful, and I've been able to go to them with any questions I have anytime.
The thing that stood out to me most about Mission's co-op program was the structure of it. I really enjoyed that. Talking to some of my peers at Grand Valley, their co-op programs were a lot more rigorously structured, whereas Mission kind of took a trial by fire approach, which might sound intimidating, but I really enjoyed it. I had mentors with me every step of the way. Anytime I got confused, they were there, and cut out a lot of the manual reading and kind of monotonous training, and I really appreciated that.
I chose to join the Mission team full-time just because of the family. When I worked here during co-op, there was just really great people that stood beside me as I was learning and took me under their wing, and I just learned a lot.
The mentorship I got at Mission Design and Automation helped me in my career because I was able to work directly underneath a design engineer, learning from him and gaining lots of experience.
We really offer a great, robust experience for them. During their 3 rotations here at Mission, they're going to experience so many different industries, a lot of different type of work. They're going to get really hands-on, tailored mentorship to help them grow in their career. Mission is really a launch pad for their career, not just a place to do their rotations.
If I had to use one word to describe the culture at Mission, I would use the word empowerment.
Collaborative.
Supportive.
Innovative.
Passionate.
Teamwork.
The word I would use to best describe the culture at Mission would be driven, and along with saying driven, so as Mission is striving to produce great solutions for its customers, they're also taking care of their employees. It's not like we're driving a hard force over here. We're getting great work done and taking care of everybody at the same time, and I really appreciate that.